So right now I'm going to show you how you can find the deleted notes on your Mac computer. So if we open up the Notes app like this, you can see right away that I'm in the Notes section as usual. And if I find something like this and I swipe left on it, I can click on the trash icon to delete it. So it appears like it's gone forever, but we know that if I expand the side panel of the notes like this, another set of folders appear, right? So you can see that if it's closed like this, make sure that you expand the iCloud or whatever else you have, and there's going to be the recently deleted folder. And you can get inside, and this is the note which I just deleted. So it tells me that these notes are going to be removed automatically after 30 days. From iCloud, it might take even 40 days, but once you find the recently deleted, right, you can move them back to the notes, right, or folder notes. And if you move them back, you essentially retrieve them or revive them, right? So that's how you can make them come back. Or you can as well right click on this and even separate it further or delete it permanently. So you can see you can play around with it and decide that you don't really want to keep this note anymore. It's going to be fully gone, so you have to make sure you know what you're doing, or you can move it back to the regular notes in here. So that's it for me. That's how you can find the recently deleted notes. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.